Alright, so today we're doing oil catch can MPX. We have it mounted already. This is the can. Put some thread tape on it just to seal it up good. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna take this hose right here, comes down under there, through there, and then right here. So you're just bypassing that. So the catch can's gonna be right here, hose to there, and then a hose all the way over to here. So it's pretty simple, hopefully. But yeah, I guess when we're installing it, I'll take another video and show you guys. All right, so we have everything connected and ran. So mounted this here. This line goes to the throttle body. The check valve, the arrow points to the throttle body. Then ran this. We used some of the wire protector stuff to kind of clean it up, make it look a little bit better. So yeah, I guess here, you want to start it? You want to see if it starts?
Why wouldn't it start?
Well, we could have fucked it up. No, was I supposed to? Was I supposed to tighten up? You didn't tell me to. I don't know, I just lock it out of habit. You popped the trunk, bro. Sick. It runs.